That's a very autumnal picture. Good morning to you.
Good morning to you now. Good morning, Charlie. Good morning to you at home. And yes, autumnal really is the theme at the moment. Some quite blustery winds at times this weekend. And with that, some outbreaks of rain. And some of that rain will be quite heavy. But that's not the whole story. There'll be some spells of warm sunshine around as well. Quite a mixed and changeable theme.
Ben, 20 degrees. Is that very warm for this time of year?
Very warm for the time of year. Yeah, that's several degrees above the norm. And even in the north of the UK, 14, 15, 16, that's above average too. So yeah, it is warm. It's going to stay pretty warm throughout the week ahead. So yeah, while there'll be some rain at times, temperatures are above where they should be. No sign of any frosts really this week.
Oh, it's going to be confusing the trees. Thanks very much, Ben. See you later. And, oh, that's a nice picture.
It's a bit murky.
It is murky. Not a day to be messing about on a river, really.
Well, no, possibly not. A bit changeable. It'll probably rain on you at some point. This is how we're starting the day actually in Edinburgh. Of course, the sun not up yet. Sunrise not until just before 8 o'clock in Edinburgh this morning, but rather misty and murky. There are quite a few places where it's murky at the moment.
So we'll be looking in from time to time during the morning, see how they're getting on.
It does look a rather beautiful morning. At least it's not raining compared to the weather they've had. Ben, morning to you. Now, look, we've gone from that. It was a rather serene scene to this one you've got behind you.
Yeah, funnily enough, Naga, serene was the word I was going to use to describe this picture. Not too far away, actually, from Silverstone. This is Reading in Berkshire from one of our weather watchers. What a lovely start to the day.
It's going to be much milder this week than perhaps you would have thought for October, late October.
Yeah, much milder, Naga. Temperatures well above the norm. And for some, there's a little bit of sunshine. I want to stand out of the way of this picture. What a beautiful start for this weather watcher in the Docklands in London. Some sunshine overhead.
I think a lot more calm pictures, I think, coming from you. And a calmer picture in general, I think. Morning.
Morning, Naga. Yeah, morning, Charlie. Morning to you at home. It is relatively calm for some of us this morning. I'm going to take you right to the far north of the UK. This is how it looks in Shetland, with a bit of cloud overhead, but relatively calm conditions over the water. And through this weekend, what we have in store is actually quite a lot of different types of weather, because there will be some spells of sunshine, but also some rain at times. Some of that will be heavy. Throughout, though, it is going to feel mild.